Hi friends, it's Miss Rachel here. I thought on this awesome afternoon that we could read a story about outer space and all of the awesome things that are up in the sky because that is this week's theme. So let's get started. I'm going to read you a little exploration. We're going to go through space and see what we could find. So let's go. Our solar system. Whoa! So you might be wondering what the solar system is. Don't worry if you don't know, but the easiest way to put it is that we have a bunch of different planets, all different colors. Whoa, here we are, Earth. Earth, that is our planet that we live on. And in outer space, there's rockets that astronauts fly on. Astronauts study for many years before they could blast off into space. They go to school for so many years before they could go up into the sky. So we'll talk about the sun. You know how the sun gets really bright sometimes? Yeah, it's because it's so hot. The sun, we are used to seeing the sun in the sky, but did you know it is actually a star? What? The sun is the nearest star to Earth, sitting at the center of the solar system. The light and heat from this huge spinning ball of gas is what allows there to be life on Earth. So the sun helps us live on Earth. Whoa! Look at the sun. It is just a big star. All of those millions and tons of stars that we see in the sky at night, stars are millions and millions. There are stars in space, and our sun is just one star. Jigsaw pieces. The Earth's surface is made up of plates like pieces of a puzzle. And they move sometimes when we spin. Whoa! And then here's us. Wow! Everything on Earth. Animals, people, our homes, our families. Seasons. So right now, we're in the summer season. As Earth orbits the sun, so as we go around the sun, different parts tilt towards the sun. This makes different seasons, like winter when it snows and it's Christmas, spring when we see a bunch of flowers, and summer when it's super hot, and fall when it's Halloween time. The planets, like I said, we're not the only planet. Earth isn't the only planet around us. All of these different planets. We have Mercury, whoa, and we have Venus, and Earth, of course. Mars, we have Neptune, and Uranus, and Saturn. It has these awesome big rings around it. And Jupiter, for the letter J that we're learning this week. Our moon. You know how you see the stars in the moon at night? Our moon and other moons. Planet Earth has a moon, a nearby neighbor, which can often be seen clearly in the sky. But did you know there are lots of other moons out there too? Astronomers have found at least 180 moons. What? We don't have the only moon? Every planet has a moon except for one. That's crazy. Look at the astronaut on the planet on the moon. Whoa. Stars and galaxies. At night, we see thousands of twinkling dots of light in the sky. It's amazing to understand that each of these are stars. There are so many stars in the sky, you can't count them. And we have galaxies. They're made up of all different stars. They look very pretty in different colors too. And our galaxy that we live in is called Milky Way, like the candy bar. Small worlds. In our solar system, as well as the planets and moons, there are smaller chunks of rock, metal, and ice-like mini worlds. What? Like meteorites. Today is Meteorite Day. The biggest meteorite ever found on Earth. Earth is called the Hoba meteorite. It landed in Africa and weighs more than 30 cars. Whoa, sometimes these meteorites can come to Earth. Astronauts. When I was a little kid, I wanted to be an astronaut. They go to school and train and practice to go up into space. Whoa! And they get to see all of the planets and the sun and the moon. But an astronaut and the astronaut spacecraft have to have protective materials, meaning they have to wear a helmet and a whole astronaut suit, and the spacecrafts are made of protective materials. So when they go up into the sky, it's like a little house. Exploring space. Thanks to very skilled astronauts and scientists and very advanced machinery, so very advanced tools, we are learning more about our universe all the time. Let's take a look at what's out there exploring for us and sending back big news. So, we have a group of astronauts that go up to space and they check out how everything is doing. And there's people here on Earth that communicate and talk to them to see what's going on. And that's called our International Space Station. There's telescopes. You know how you could look through a paper towel roll? And it's kind of like a telescope. Wow, that is so awesome. The end. Well, I hope you had fun exploring some of the awesome and beautiful things in space. And I hope next time when it gets really dark out, you pay attention and look up at the sky and see the moon and the stars and look at all the different colors that the sky could be. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and enjoy the rest of your summer. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great day. Bye.